we're a part of Teaching What Matters. Today, we're gonna be making
Outtakes!
We're making waffles, remember?
Oh yeah, right.
These are the ingredients we're gonna need.
Milk, flour, sugar, 2 eggs, vegetable oil, and baking powder.
You're also gonna need vanilla extract, butter, salt, large and small mixing bowl, ice cream scoop, whisk, spatula, and a measuring cup and spoon.
Oh, I got this. Maybe that's a little too much.
You think? Let's clean this up. Now that that's all clean, let's use some measuring cups. We're gonna put in 3 tablespoons of baking powder. I have 1 in already. Let's do it.
You're gonna need 3/4 of a teaspoon of salt.
We will need 4 tablespoons of sugar. Two cups of flour.
Make sure you mix the dry ingredients up like this before you add in the wet ingredients.
Now we mix our wet ingredients. Just trying to remember how to do it. Next, mix in our eggs. 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. 1.5 cups of milk. Then you're gonna add 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil. We're gonna melt 1 stick of butter. Let's add the butter to our liquid. Now let's add our liquids to our dries. Make sure to mix it well. After you're done mixing, if you want to add anything, you can. I think we're gonna add some chocolate chips.
You mean blueberries?
Chocolate chips!
Blueberries!
Chocolate chips!
Wait, I have an idea. What if we add blueberries in some and chocolate chips in some and one with both?
That does sound pretty good.
That way we can both get what we want.
It's a deal. Make sure you spray your waffle maker so that way your waffles don't stick. Now, time to add your batter. You might need to experiment with how much to put in based on your type of waffle maker that you have. For me, it looks like it's gonna be about 2 scoops, maybe. Don't forget the chocolate chips. Now we let it cook. Once this green light turns on, we'll know that it's ready. Another way to tell that your waffle is ready is by checking the steam that's coming out of your waffle maker. Once the steam slows down or stops, then you will know it's ready.
Warning though.
This maker can become extremely hot. I already almost burned myself, so we need to be extremely careful when dealing with this. Remember, always get your parents' permission before doing these things at home. Now it looks like our waffle is ready. Now remember, if you want a crispy waffle and you don't want it soggy, don't do the classic method of stacking it on a plate, and make sure to put it on a wire rack if you have one. Ooh, that looks scrumptious. There we go.
All right, our waffles are done. Now it's time to taste. Delicious.
So good. If you want to find the recipe for these delicious waffles, look in the description below.
Or you can always restart the video.
Like, share, and subscribe to our channel. And as always,
Teaching what matters out.
What are you guys doing?
Say when.
there's just one question you need to ask yourself. Do I feel lucky?
Me? Wait a minute. What's going on here?
Well, do you feel lucky, punk?
No. No. Don't do it.
You're new daisy it up. Strawberry jelly.